दोतोर तुमचे काँग्रेसींतल्यान खूब असो आवाज जाल्लो की विजय काँग्रेसीन येता आनी थोडे अगेन्स्ट आशिल्ले काँग्रेसीन विजय नाका म्हणून. सो तुमी कशें पळयतात, कित्याक तुमी खुबदां विजयाक वांगडा प्रेसाक बी बसलेले आमी पळयल्यात.
सो हांव दिल्ली गेल्लो, आमचे लिडरा पासून मेळ्ळा, अहमदाबादा पासून गेल्लो, आमचे लिडर मेळ्ळा. म्हूण थिंगा आमचे मदें कांय उलोवप नाशिल्लें. म्हाका प्रश्न पासून विचारलो ना विजय येता, जॉयन जाता, वॉट शूड वी डू, कांय ना. So I don't know from where these rumors have come out. But this one thing I want to make sure, as far as I am concerned, I have no knowledge of his joining. From what I have spoken with the party high command in Delhi, that there was no such a question which came up with me or a proposal which was pending. Third party, they asked you what's your comment. There was no comment. Today, Vijay is part of the alliance of the opposition. And therefore, we all work together as a opposition, whoever is with us, including Aam Aadmi Party is with us in the alliance. So I think we work very well as an opposition. And I don't think there is at the moment that any such type of move is there. But as and when there may be a proposal for anyone to join the Congress Party, our High Command will take a conscious decision, and I think in the best interest of Goa, a decision will be taken.
You are welcoming Vijay to join Congress?
I will welcome whatever decision that the High Command takes.
Okay.